Chimpanzees, are they yes or are they not? Okay, so chimpanzees. Some people say that we evolved from them. Others say they're crazy and we're just us. We evolved from us. So chimpanzees, they live about 50 years. The average human lives about 50 to 60, 50 to even 90 years. The oldest human ever lived was 120 years old, unless if you go by Bible standards, then it is 900 years old. Their diet is fruits, nuts, seeds, and sometimes insects and other types of meat. They are called omnivores, and omnivores are like us. We eat both meat and plant fiber. There are about 1,000 to 200 chimpanzees that remain in the wild. This is nothing compared to humans, knowing that we are 7 billion. Okay, I just need to get this down. Yes, I have the hiccups. Please do not explode the comments about that. I've had them for a while now. Just had to get that out there. Okay. Chimpanzees can be found in 21 African countries. Chimps prefer these tropical rainforests, but can also be found in secondary growth forests, woodlands, bamboo forests, swamps, and even the open savanna. I know people don't usually think about chimpanzees right next to a cheetah, but yeah. Just don't go too far with that. Okay. Their behavior. Chimps live in communities, which is basically like us. We have communities, but it is a group. These communities are family groups, usually to 3 to 6 individuals, totaling up to about 50 animals in one community. Again, we're not talking about humans, we're talking about chimpanzees. So a nice community, think of a bunch of chimpanzees. Hierarchies are formed by the adult males of the community, which is led by one alpha, or the highest male. Adolescent females may move freely between communities, although territory is strictly patrolled, and conflicts can occur between neighbors, and those fights can get ugly. On the ground, chimpanzees usually walk on all fours, using their knuckles for support, with their hands clenched. So basically like that. I don't know if you can see that, but woohoo! So with their hands clenched, and that is called knuckle walking, because they're walking on the knuckles. Reproduction. Most mothers give birth to one young and average every 5 to 6 years in the wild. Young chimps stay with their mothers for up to 10 years. So sometimes there will be 2 chimps together with one mom. This is seen a lot, and when a mom sometimes abandons her child, sometimes, though it is rare, there are those lucky chimps who get to be raised by their fathers. So it says here that their threats, habitat destruction, and the greatest threat of chimpanzees' large population decreases are also blamed on hunting and commercial exportation. So that is basically saying that their biggest threat is us. We are the ones that are moving them out of their territory, destroying their homes. So if you want to blame anyone for not that many chimps being in the world, you can blame yourself. I don't want you to go blaming me. Blame yourself. No, I'm just kidding. It's humans in general. It may not be you personally, but humans are the reason why chimps are going, why there aren't very many in the wild as there were before. So chimpanzees are one of the great apes. Great apes include chimpanzees, gorillas, orangutans, and bonobo apes. Bonobo apes, scientists say that we're the closest relative to a bonobo ape. If you believe in that we came from monkeys, mice, or a banana. Sorry, I do not. That's all I'm going with that. Great apes do not have tails. Monkeys do. So sorry, Curious George. You're not a monkey. I don't care what they say. You're not a monkey. You are either a chimpanzee or a bonobo. I'm sorry. If you want to be a monkey, grow a tail. That's all I can say. And great apes usually are larger and they have much bigger brains, so you will more rather see a chimpanzee or a gorilla use tools than a monkey. So that's all you pretty much need to know about chimpanzees. There's definitely more about them. I just cover the basics, and sometimes I go into deep in a little bit. But please check out my other videos. I have quite a bit. If you want to know what my first video it is the koi wolf. So please check that out. You'll be happy it did. These can help with school and just knowing common facts, which is what I love to learn. So remember, perspective is interesting and knowledge is power. Please tell your friends. I'm sorry that I do not make videos more often. I try my best. It is hard. I am only a child. So thank you. And if you want to see why I like just common knowledge and just knowing about anything, and why I actually chose this YouTube channel, I am going to make another short video on why. It's not really a vlog, it's just me saying why and when I started wanting to do all this. So, thank you, goodbye, please subscribe.